And news back home, the story is developing from the city of Pune, where the Maratha-era fort Shaniwarwada is in an eye of the storm after burqa-clad women were seen offering namaz inside the fort premises. In response, BJP workers led by Rajya Sabha MP Medha Kulkarni protested at the site, performed an alleged purification ritual by sprinkling cow urine and dung at the spot where the prayers were said to have taken place. The incident has, of course, raked a massive political storm, BJP claiming that in the past, there have been instances where namaz was offered at places and then the places were converted into religious structures and purification ritual was an attempt to stop any such encroachment. Meanwhile, the opposition has condemned this, claiming that it was an attempt to dent the secular fabric of the country.
हाँ, शनिवार वाड़ा को एक इतिहास है। शनिवार वाड़ा में हमारा इतिहास और हमारे शौर्य का प्रतीक है वो शनिवार वाड़ा। हिंदू समाज के बहुत दिल के करीब है वो शनिवार वाड़ा। अगर इतना ही अगर तुमको उधर नमाज पढ़ना है तो फिर कल हमारी हिंदुत्व संगठन जाके हाजी अली के बाहर खड़े रहे और वहां हनुमान चालीसा का पठन चालू करेगा तो चलेगा क्या? तब तुम लोग की भावना दुखेगी नहीं। तुमको वहां ही नमाज पढ़ना है, फिर मस्जिद में क्या करते हैं? मस्जिद में क्या क्या रखा रहता है? फिर जिसको जहां प्रार्थना करने के लिए जगह दी है उसने वहां करना चाहिए। फिर अगर हमारे हिंदुत्व कार्यकर्ताओं ने जाके वहां अगर आवाज उठाया ना तो सही किया है ना, वरना कल फिर हाजी अली के बाद अगर जोरदार हनुमान चालीसा बोली जाएगी, हमारी महाआरती की जाएगी तो फिर कोई आवाज नहीं निकलनी चाहिए, हरी मिर्ची नहीं लगनी होती। फिर
एक आदमी पूजा कर रहा है, नमाज पढ़ रहा है, उसके साथ इस तरह की बदतमीजी जो हो रही है बीजेपी की ना, मैं समझता हूँ ये बर्दाश्त करने के काबिल नहीं है। आप अरब कंट्रीज़ में जाते हैं लोग, वहाँ भी मंदिर बन रही है, वहाँ पूजा हो रही है, कोई मना नहीं कर रहा है। वो लोग जो अंग्रेज़ों की दलाली करते थे, तलवे चाटते थे, वो बड़े अफसोस के साथ आज वो सत्ता में बैठे हुए हैं और मुसलमानों के साथ ये जुल्म करेंगे। इंतजार करो, इसका बदला मिलेगा उनको।
मेधा कुलकर्णी यांनी नेहमीप्रमाणे जी नाटके केली त्याच्यावर त्यांना तातडीने त्यांच्यावरच हिंदू मुस्लिममध्ये तेढ निर्माण करणे, पुणे शहरातील सामाजिक वातावरण बिघडवणे याच्यासाठी गुन्हा दाखल करणं गरजेचं आहे। आमच्या पुण्यामध्ये हिंदू मुस्लिम अत्यंत गोविंदाने आनंदाने भाई भाई करत राहतात। जाणीवपूर्वक अशा काही खासदार मेधाताई आहेत की त्यांना ते वातावरण बिघडवायचं असतं, ते त्यांची कर्तव्य खासदाराची घेतलेली शपथ विसरून मुद्दामून दर्गा असेल, मंदिरं असतील इथले विषय काढणार आणि पुण्याची परिस्थिती वातावरण खराब करण्याचं काम खासदार मेधा कुलकर्णी करतात।
Straight across with Dipesh Tripathi getting in more details in that story. Dipesh, this back and forth is on between the Samajwadi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party. But talk to us about the current situation. This is a controversy that has erupted in Shaniwarwada. What about the law and order situation? Are the authorities also in a way gearing up post this so-called purification ritual that was carried out?
Sneh, definitely we spoke to the police officials of the Pune police, and they said that no offence has been registered till now because there is no law which has been broken by both the sides. But they are keeping eye on the law and order situation, and they are trying to make both the parties to try. They're trying to speak with both the parties and trying to calm down this issue. But right now, the Maharashtra politics has been agitating around this issue, where the NCP, which is alliance in the government of the Maharashtra, now they had started targeting Medha Kulkarni, the Rajya Sabha MP from BJP, that she is trying to interfere in the Pune, and Pune is considered as the jurisdiction of the Pawar family, whether it be a Sharad Pawar, whether it be a Ajit Pawar. Pune, Pimpri Chinchwad, Baramati, this belt is considered the Pawar's family jurisdiction, and Medha Kulkarni's this action has been considered the interference action by the NCP leaders. So definitely the war of words has been started within the government, whereas the opposition also targeting the BJP government for raising this religious issue and at the time of such festival which are going on the nation. So definitely we will see, we have to see that what will happen in the coming future and how this issue will be calmed down by the superior leaders of both the parties. Sneha.
I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Dipesh Tripathi getting asked those details.